Go to your browser and search for image effects. We'll be using this one from Google. It might require you to sign in into this image effects. I'm going to go over to settings and check if the settings is what I want. Check the aspect ratio. Now I'll go back to input and paste my prompt into this input part of the image effects. This is why you need to check your settings before you paste in your prompt, because once you paste in your prompt it will start generating. Our image is here. This is the image it gave us. If you swipe through, it gave us 4 images, which you can go through each of them and see if you want to download all the images or if you just want to download only one. I want you to be the judge of this. Does these images look good? I think they look exceptionally good. Once you're happy with what you have, you click on the download arrow here and it downloads the image into your phone. You can see paste another prompt, or me, I'm just going to edit the one I have and enter that again. And it gave me a different image. It gives 4 sets of image. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.